Okay, so number 2, factor. So we want to factor this, right? Then guys, because you're just learning it, so I want you to go step by step and look at this. So 6x, break it down. Then 6x is 6 times by x, right? And also you can break 6 is like 2 times by 3 times by x, right? So I can break my 6, 1, 2, 3, and x. And then 3, I have 3, right? So 3 is what? 3 is only 1 and 3. That's it. 1 and 3. I can't do it more. And then, so we break it down and think about it. What's your common? Your common numbers? 3. Right? So 3 is the common. So when you factor that, just write the common, your GCF, which is 3, in front and make the parentheses. Alright? And then look, if you take out 3, so just cover this one, what do you see? 2, oops, 2 and x only, right? So just have 2x plus, because this is plus, and then 3, you take out 3, then what do you have? Only 1 left. So you put 1 here. And then once you complete your factor, you multiply it back to check your answer. You factored it correctly or not. So you multiply it back, then what? 3 times by 2x, that's 6x. 3 times by 1, then what? You get 3. So you get exactly the same thing, 6x plus 3, right? So this is my answer. So you can check your answer by multiplying it back. Alright, so this is my factor. Right, that's my answer. And then look at this one, 24x squared minus 8x. 24x squared minus 8x. Then guys, think about it. Always you need to factor your number first. We need to find the GCF of the number. So 8 and 24. 8 and 24. Let's check it. 8 and 24. 8 and 24. And look, 1, 2, 4, 8. And 24 is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. So my common factors, oops, 8, right? 8 is my GCF. Alright, or you know what, if you keep doing it, you will just get it. 24 and 8, what's the common divisor? You can think about the common divisor, right? 8, you can divide it by 8, and by 8, you can divide it by 24. So my number GCF, that's 8, right? And then think about the letter. How many x do you have? You have x squared, that means it's x times by x. 2x, you have 2x, and this one just x. So what? You have only 1x. Then what's the common? 2 or 1? 1 is the common. So if you have the same letter like this, x and x, then just take the lower number. You know, nothing means 1 here. So 8x is my GCF. Alright? So 8x is my GCF, and you put it here, 8x. And look, 24x squared, that was 3 times by 8 times by x times by x, right? And then you took out 8x, so your leftover will be 3x. Or you can just divide it, 24x squared divided by 8x, then you will get 3x. And minus 8x times by 1, like this. Okay, and look at number 3. 10 and 15. 10 and 15. So as a number, 10 and 15. 10 and 15. What's the common factor? 5, right? Your GCF is 5. So 5 is my GCF, right? And then look guys, compare the letters. X squared and x. You have x squared and x, then which one is lower? X, because x squared has 2x, x has only 1x, so your common x will be 1x only, right? So for x, it's x. right? And then look at your y. You have y and a y squared. Y and a y squared, right? Take the lower number. Nothing means 1. You have 1y, you have 2y's. So 1y is common. So y. So that is what? 5xy. This is my GCF. Okay, so you write 5xy and think about it. 10. 5 times by what makes 10? 2. Right? And that you had x squared originally. But you took out 1x outside. Then inside, you still have x. Because you originally had 2x, right? And then you had 1y, you take it out. So nothing left. So that's it, 2x. And then follow the sign, that's minus. So you have minus here. And then 15 and 5, right? Then 5 times by what makes 15? Or what's 15 divided by 5? 3, right? And then x, you had x, you take it out. So nothing left for x. So nothing to write for x. Y squared, you had 2 y's, you took it out 1, right? So 1 left inside. Your leftover will be only 1y, like this. And if you want to check your answer, you multiply it back. So you multiply it, then you get 10, 5 times by 2, which is 10. X squared, y, right? And then when you do this, minus 3 by 5, 15, x, y squared, right? So you get the same thing. Then you got the right answer, okay? So guys, I'm gonna do up to here, and I think you do your homework tomorrow, alright? If you have any question, you can text me. And probably I'm gonna check your work first. And like if you didn't get it, then I'm gonna go over this one again, alright? So try your best, submit your work tomorrow so that I can see you got it or not, alright? Oh, and then for the lesson quiz, guys, my daughter's name is Emily, okay? So you need to answer that question. My daughter's name is Emily, alright? Alright guys, bye bye.